I've always wanted to get into the world of autonomous robot vacuum cleaners for years. There's something so fascinating watching a little robot go around your house cleaning the floors while you focus on something else. So when AliExpress sent me the Lubluelu L20 robot vacuum cleaner to test, I was delighted to give it a go. It's not just a regular vacuum cleaner either. It comes with LiDAR navigation, smart mapping, mop functions, and more. So the question is, how well does it work? Will this actually complement or replace my regular vacuum cleaner? Is it something you should get? Is it worth your time? Those are questions I'm going to answer in this video. Welcome to the show, GV Tech. I'm G Vader, and without further ado, let's get to it. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the Lubluelu L20, and it arrived from AliExpress. Opening the box, the first thing we have is a detailed information card that actually does a pretty good job of explaining the basics and getting you started without having to immediately dive into the full manual. Next, we have the Lubluelu L20 itself, which is actually a lot larger than I was expecting. I think when you see robot vacuum cleaners online, they actually look quite small, but in person, the L20 has a decent amount of size to it. On top, you have this raised section which houses the LiDAR sensor. This is one of the key features of the L20, as it uses the laser sensor to scan its surroundings and create a map of your home rather than just randomly driving around the room. Underneath the robot, you've got the main roller brush, the rotating side brush, and two driver wheels and a cliff sensors. Those sensors are designed to stop the robot from driving straight down the stairs. And around the back is the dustbin and water tank. The dustbin holds around 260 milliliters, while the water tank is around 240 milliliters. Moving on to the accessories, we've got two side brushes. One is fitted to the robot when you are ready to start cleaning, while the other is included as a spare, which is always handy to have. There's also a cleaning tool for the roller brush, which should come in useful when it comes to removing any hair or debris that gets caught in it. Then we've got the charging dock and power adapter, which is where the L20 will return to when it's finished cleaning or needs to be recharged. Finally, there's a mopping setup, including a water tank and a mop attachment. So everything you need to get the L20 up and running is included in the box. Now that we've seen what's included, let's get this thing set up and see how it actually works. Setting it up is pretty straightforward. You attach the side brush, put the L20 into its charging dock, and then get the Smart Life app installed on your phone or mobile device. It is available for iOS devices and Androids. The app is where you control pretty much everything. Once it's connected to Wi-Fi, the first thing you want to do is map your house, and this is where the LiDAR sensors come into play. Instead of simply driving around randomly, the L20 scans its surrounding and builds a digital map of the rooms, and you can actually watch the map being created in real time on your mobile phone. Once it's finished, you can name the rooms, select individual rooms to clean, create no-go zones, set virtual walls, and even tell it which areas it should not mop. You can also schedule cleaning, adjust the suction power, change the amount of water used when mopping. So already this feels much more sophisticated than simply pressing the button and letting the robot drive around the house. But now we need to see if all this technology actually translates into better cleaning. So, time to put it to the test. I've created a mixture of rice, cereal, breadcrumbs and flour and placed it on the floor. Basically everything you'd rather not have scattered across your floor. I'm going to leave the L20 to do its thing. Let's see how it handles everything. As it reaches the mess, the side brush switches debris towards the main rollers, which then picks it up. The larger pieces of rice or debris or cereal are actually handled surprisingly well. and the fine dust and flour disappear pretty quickly too. There's obviously going to be an occasional piece that gets pushed around before being picked up, but overall I am pretty impressed with how much it collects. And this is where I think the L20 makes the most sense. It's about making sure your floors don't get this dirty in the first place. The robot is all done with the cleaning. Wow, quite impressive, not a single debris left. Good work. Once the robot finishes cleaning, it goes back to its dock automatically to recharge. Now, let's see what the robot scooped up along the way. Oh wow, that's quite a lot. That is quite a lot. It scooped up everything, and the filters are quite full. So it's time to dump this out. You can just empty it into a bin. You don't need any bags, so that's a very convenient feature. Now, the L20 isn't just there to vacuum floors. It also comes with a mopping function, so I want to see how well it actually deals with a bit of everyday mess. And for this test, I've gone with something that's probably a little more challenging than dust or footprints: milk. To get the mop function ready, it's really straightforward. Simply attach the mop pad to the mop module, clip that onto the bottom of the dustbin, and fill up the water tank. That's pretty much it. Once it's attached, you're ready to go. You can control the amount of water the L20 uses through the app, so you can choose how much water you want depending on the type of floor you're cleaning. I've got mine set up. The milk is on the floor, so let's see how it gets on. As it goes over the spill, the damp mop pad starts wiping the milk away. And as you can see, it's doing a pretty good job of picking up the liquid as it passes over the area. Obviously, this isn't designed to replace a proper mop for heavy-duty cleaning, but for those everyday spills, footprints, dust, or light marks that build up during the week, I can see this being really useful. Rather than getting the bucket and mop out every time there's a little mess on the floor, you can just let the L20 take care of it. And honestly, that's probably how I'll use the mopping function most of the time. Keep the floors maintained, deal with a little mess, and save the proper mopping for when the floor actually needs a deep clean. And there you have it. The milk is all mopped up. The L20 did a great job. I'm kind of impressed. Nice one. So, after putting the Lubluelu L20 through all of these tests, I'm actually quite impressed with what it can do, especially when it comes to taking care of those everyday cleaning jobs. And if you're interested in checking out the L20 or some other tech and gadgets available on AliExpress, I've got some exclusive discount codes that you can use to get some extra money off. Depending on how much you spend, you can get up to $70 off. Here are the codes on the screen now. The promotion runs from 1st August to 1st September 2026 and stocks are limited, so make sure you check the terms and use the appropriate codes at checkout. There's also another way to save. You can join my AliExpress team and get up to 10% cashback on eligible purchases, with exclusions applying. Just click the link in the description to join my team. And with that, let's get back to the Lubluelu L20 robot vacuum. And did I mention that it's smart home compatible, meaning you can connect it to Alexa or Google Homes and use voice commands to ask it to do things, which I find awesome. Here's an example. Alexa, switch off Ben.
Okay.
Stop cleaning.
Alexa, switch on Ben.
Okay.
Stop cleaning.
After spending time with the Lubluelu L20 robot vacuum cleaner, what are my thoughts? I think it's great. It made a very good first impression on me, and there are three things that I really like about it. One, it's a LiDAR navigation that enables the device to map out your house to different rooms and then avoid obstacles. Two, is the convenience. I like that I can just set it up. I can ask it to go to different rooms and clean those rooms without having to do anything. It just does its things. You can schedule it. You can adjust the strength of the suction. You can separate different walls. You can select different areas in the room that you want it to clean. You can also select areas that you don't want it to clean, which I find very, very awesome. And then you can put it on a timer and so on, and it goes back to charge itself. Three is the cost. It costs about £72 on AliExpress, which is just mind-blowing. And the fact that you can have such an affordable device like this compete on the same level with brands that are costing £500 to £1,000, practically doing the same thing, is just mind-blowing to me. So that's a major plus. It will not replace your heavy-duty vacuum cleaner because, again, you need that to do staircases and all that, but that's not what it's trying to do. It's just trying to offer that convenience side that you can program it and leave it to do its thing. Is it something you should get? I would say yes. If you're looking for a device that can do this on its own, clean the floors, take care of things while you don't have to bother too much about it, then this will be a good addition to any home. It's a good addition to my home. Thanks for watching this far. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, be good.